just gonna sit here and play. What I've got here in front of me is my All Because of Scraps book. This is the book I create in using all of my scraps that are left over in my bin, and there's a bunch of them back there, and I have not had to pull any out because I actually have some stuck in my book. So I'm going to take these here and I'm just going to glue them in my page, and I don't know what these are. Stuck it in here for a reason. Oh, hearts and flowers, little tags that I cut out. I'm just gonna sit here and play, and I thought I'd turn the camera on and let you join in. This is not anything related to the 100-day project, although it is the same technique, you know, using your scraps and using stuff, but this isn't Happy Mail. This is just scraps out of my bin. So I've already got my page sitting here with the paper behind it ready to go, so let's just create a page, see what happens. I may not finish it, and you may not even see this video, but it's on just in case. Alright, I'm going to start gluing, and then I'll talk to you if I have something I want to say, but really all I'm going to be doing is gluing these papers on, and then once the papers are on, I'm going to look around to see if there's anything I want to pull out of the paper, an image that I see, or I'm going to use maybe images that I put down. Who knows what's going to happen. So let's just get started and see where we go. leaving right here because I've got to go to the chiropractor, and I need to let this dry a little bit because it's a little moist in places. But so far, this is where we are. And I like it so far, but it needs a little bit more tweaking and playing around with. And you know that we love to tweak and play around. So when I come back, which will probably be tomorrow, I will work on this some more. Okay, see y'all later. Hey, it is the next day. This is really dry. I'm liking how it's turning out. So there's a few more things I'm going to do to it. Oh, Oscar and I just got back from a walk. I'm sweaty and hot. Oscar's panting, so he's had his little fill of exercise for the morning. He'll be ready to go in about, a minute and a half. So, all right, I'm going to get back to work on this and hopefully finish it up so I can get on to the next video that I have planned for the 100-day project celebration wind-up. Okay? I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, I'm going to quit. I want to go on to my next project. I don't want to invest any more time. I'm very happy with the way it turned out, and I used this here because I could. I liked it. It was sitting off to the side there, and I thought, I like it. I'm going to put it on there. Because originally I wasn't planning on using it. I think I had enough scraps down on there, but it just spoke to me, so I added it on there. And I really like how it turned out. And I used a clear sticker. This is You Had Me at Hello. And it's shiny, but I don't care. It's a scrap page. I mean, this is stuff that would have gone in the trash. So now it's something pretty to look at in my book. All right, until the next time I work in this book, I'll put it back in my little pile over there. And next time I feel like working with scraps, we'll do another page. So just keep in mind that you can create fun little pages just with your scraps. This is all because of scraps. Okay, see you later.